Hello, incredible creators, aspiring YouTubers, and future digital stars. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making your content truly shine? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that excites every single one of us: how to make a YouTube video go viral. Now, let's be clear, there's no magic button for instant virality, but there is a powerful blueprint, a strategic path you can follow to dramatically increase your chances. We're going to break down every single step from the spark of an idea to the moment your video takes off. This isn't just about getting views. It's about connecting, inspiring, and building a community. So grab your notebooks, get ready to be inspired, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Your viral video journey starts right now. Every masterpiece begins with a solid foundation, and your viral video is no exception. This crucial pre-production phase is where ideas are born, strategies are forged, and the path to widespread sharing truly begins. Let's build it strong. First, we need to define what viral truly means in the YouTube landscape. It's not just a lot of views. It's about rapid, widespread sharing that transcends your usual audience. It's when your content becomes a conversation starter. Think of it as a wildfire of engagement, spreading organically from person to person. This kind of reach is what we're aiming for, and it starts with understanding its core elements. Virality means your video isn't just watched. It's actively shared across platforms and communities. It's when people feel compelled to show it to their friends, family, and followers. This organic spread is the hallmark of a truly viral piece of content. It signifies that your message has resonated so deeply that it has transcended typical viewership patterns. This is the ultimate goal for any creator seeking massive reach and impact. What makes people share? It often boils down to powerful emotions. Joy, awe, surprise, even anger or sadness. Your content needs to evoke a strong feeling. Novelty is also key. Offer something fresh, unexpected, or presented in a unique way. People love to discover and share new things. Relatability ensures your audience sees themselves or their experiences reflected in your content. This connection fosters a sense of understanding and community. Finally, shareability is paramount. Is your video easy to understand, quick to consume, and does it spark a desire to pass it on? Keep these elements at the forefront of your mind. Now that we understand virality, let's ignite the creative spark. This is where you brainstorm, explore, and pinpoint the unique angle that will make your video stand out. Your niche is your superpower. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. What truly excites you? What problems can you solve, or what unique perspectives can you offer? Jot down every idea, no matter how wild it seems. Consider current events, timeless human experiences, or even a fresh take on a popular trend. The goal is to find a concept that genuinely captivates you and, by extension, your audience. Who are you trying to reach with this video? Understanding your ideal viewer is absolutely critical. What are their passions, their pain points, their sense of humor? Tailoring your content to a specific audience makes it far more likely to resonate deeply. Speak directly to them, and they will listen, engage, and share. Stay informed about what's currently buzzing online. Use tools to see what's trending on YouTube, Google, and social media. Can you add a unique spin to a popular topic? Also, look for gaps. Is there a question people are asking that no one has answered well yet? Filling an unmet need can be a direct path to virality. A great idea needs a great execution plan. This is where you structure your thoughts, craft your message, and ensure your video flows seamlessly. A well-planned script is your roadmap to success. The first few seconds of your video are everything. You need an irresistible hook that grabs attention immediately and makes viewers want to stay. What promise can you make? What mystery can you introduce? A strong narrative keeps viewers engaged from start to finish. Think about storytelling, even in short-form content. Every video has a beginning, middle, and end. Keep your audience glued to their screens by structuring your video thoughtfully. Break it into digestible segments, use clear transitions, and maintain a dynamic pace. Avoid long, rambling sections. Consider the attention curve and place your most compelling points strategically. You want viewers to feel like they're on an exciting journey with you. Remember those key elements of virality? Now's the time to weave them into your script. How can you make your audience laugh, gasp, or feel a surge of inspiration? Emotional resonance is a powerful driver of sharing. Decide which emotion you want to evoke and build your content around it. Authenticity in expressing these emotions is paramount. Even the most brilliant idea can fall flat without good execution. High-quality production values signal professionalism and respect for your audience. Let's get your gear ready. Your message deserves to be heard and seen clearly. Invest in the best microphone and camera you can afford, or learn to maximize what you already have. Good audio is often more important than perfect video. Clear visuals and crisp sound elevate your content and keep viewers engaged. Don't let technical issues distract from your amazing message. Think about your visual aesthetic. What kind of shots will you use? How will you light your scene? Plan for dynamic camera angles and interesting backdrops. Consider your editing style even before you shoot. Will it be fast-paced, cinematic, or more conversational? A consistent and engaging visual style enhances your brand. The planning is done, the ideas are solid, and your equipment is ready. Now it's time to bring your vision to life. This production phase is where your creativity truly shines through the lens. This is where the magic happens. Your energy, authenticity, and attention to detail during filming will directly impact the final product. Let's make every take count. Pay attention to details like lighting, framing, and background. A clean, well-lit set makes a huge difference. Even simple adjustments can elevate your video's professional look. Strive for consistency in your visual and audio quality throughout the entire recording. This shows your audience you care about their viewing experience. Your passion is contagious. Speak with enthusiasm, make eye contact with the camera, and let your true personality shine through. Authenticity builds trust and connection. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Your unique voice and perspective are what make your content special and relatable to your audience. Your editing is where your raw footage transforms into a captivating story. This is your chance to refine, enhance, and sculpt your video for maximum impact and shareability. Keep your edits tight and your pace brisk. Eliminate dead air, unnecessary pauses, and anything that doesn't contribute directly to your message. Every second counts in holding attention. A dynamic pace keeps viewers hooked and prevents them from clicking away. Think about how you can maintain momentum throughout the video. Enhance understanding and engagement with on-screen text, graphics, and visual cues. Highlight key points, add humor, or clarify complex information. These elements make your video more digestible. Visual aids break up the monotony and cater to different learning styles. They also make your content more accessible and memorable. Music sets the mood and enhances emotional impact. Choose tracks that complement your content without overpowering your voice. Sound effects can add humor, emphasis, or a sense of professionalism. Use music and sound to guide your audience's emotions and highlight important moments. They are powerful tools for storytelling. Don't leave your audience guessing what to do next. Clearly ask them to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make it easy for them to take the next step. A strong call to action encourages engagement and helps your video spread. Remind them that their support helps your channel grow. Your video is shot and edited, but the journey isn't over. This phase is all about making sure your masterpiece gets seen by as many people as possible. Optimization is your secret weapon for discoverability. YouTube is a search engine, and understanding how it works is crucial for getting discovered. Optimizing your video's metadata is like giving it a powerful engine for reach. Your title is your video's first impression. Make it compelling, intriguing, and clear about what your video offers. Use keywords that people are searching for. Avoid misleading clickbait, but don't be afraid to pique curiosity. A great title promises value and delivers on that promise. Use your description to provide more context. Include relevant keywords and link to resources. Think of it as a mini blog post that helps YouTube understand your content. A well-written description improves your video's search ranking and provides value to your viewers. Don't just copy and paste. Make it informative. Tags help YouTube categorize your video and show it to the right audience. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your topic. Hashtags further enhance discoverability. Think about all the different ways people might search for your content. The more relevant tags you use, the better. Your thumbnail is arguably the most important factor in getting clicks. It needs to be visually striking, clear, and convey the essence of your video at a glance. Use bright colors, clear text, and expressive faces. A compelling thumbnail makes people stop scrolling and click on your video. It's your visual advertisement. Virality thrives on interaction. Encourage your audience to become active participants, not just passive viewers. Build a community around your content. Ask questions in your video to prompt comments. Respond to comments to foster a sense of community and show you value your audience. Like signal to YouTube that your content is valuable. The more engagement your video receives, the more YouTube's algorithm will favor it. Encourage a lively discussion. Show your audience that you're listening. Respond thoughtfully to comments, answer questions, and acknowledge constructive criticism. This builds loyalty and encourages repeat viewership. Engaging with your community makes them feel valued and connected to your channel. It's a two-way street. End screens and cards are powerful tools to keep viewers on your channel. Link to related videos, playlists, or encourage subscriptions. Guide your audience to more of your amazing content. These features increase watch time and channel engagement, both of which are crucial for growth. Make the most of every opportunity. When and how you release your video can significantly impact its initial momentum. A well-timed launch can give your video the boost it needs. Research when your target audience is most active on YouTube. Uploading during these peak times can maximize initial views and engagement, signaling to YouTube that your video is popular. Tools within YouTube Analytics can help you identify these optimal times. Don't just upload whenever. Be strategic. Don't keep your video a secret. Share it across all your social media channels. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Tailor your promotion to each platform. Create short, engaging teasers or snippets specifically for these platforms to drive traffic back to YouTube. Cross-promotion is key. Partnering with creators who have a similar audience can introduce your content to a whole new group of potential viewers. Collaborations are a fantastic way to expand your reach. Choose collaborators whose content aligns with yours and whose audience would genuinely enjoy your work. It's a win-win for everyone. Your video is out there, but the work isn't done. This final phase is about actively pushing your content into the world and monitoring its performance. You're not just hoping for virality, you're actively fueling it. The first few hours and days after your upload are critical. This is when you give your video the initial momentum it needs to catch fire. Be proactive in sharing. Don't underestimate the power of your immediate circle. Share your video with friends, family, and colleagues who you know will appreciate it. Their initial views and shares can kickstart the algorithm. Ask them to watch, like, and comment. This early engagement is incredibly valuable for YouTube's algorithm. Identify online communities, forums, or subreddits where your content would be genuinely appreciated. Share your video there, but always follow community guidelines and avoid spamming. Offer your video as a valuable contribution, not just a self-promotion. Engage with the community authentically. If your video has a unique angle or addresses a timely topic, consider reaching out to relevant influencers or media outlets. A mention from a larger platform can send your views skyrocketing. Craft a concise and compelling pitch that highlights why your video is newsworthy or valuable to their audience. Be respectful of their time. Beyond the initial push, continuous social media promotion is vital. Each platform offers unique ways to showcase your content and attract new viewers. Repurpose your video into short, captivating clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. These bite-sized pieces can hook new audiences and drive them to your full video. Each snippet should be a compelling preview, leaving viewers wanting more. Use trending sounds and formats where appropriate. While not always necessary for virality, targeted ads can give your video a significant initial boost. Even a small budget can help you reach a highly specific audience who might love your content. Consider running ads to test different titles, thumbnails, or target demographics. It's a way to strategically amplify your message. Can your video inspire others to create their own content? Launch a challenge, ask for duets, or encourage people to share their reactions. User-generated content is the ultimate form of virality. When your audience becomes part of the creation process, they become your biggest advocates. This fosters a powerful sense of community. The journey doesn't end once your video is live. Continuous monitoring and adaptation are key to understanding what works and replicating your successes. Dive deep into your YouTube analytics. Pay close attention to viewer retention graphs to see where people drop off. Understand your traffic sources to know where your audience is coming from. These insights are invaluable for improving future videos and understanding your audience's behavior. Data is your friend. What aspects of your video performed best? Was it the hook, a specific segment, or the emotional impact? Identify these successful elements and try to incorporate them into your next creations. Learn from every video, whether it goes viral or not. Every piece of content is a learning opportunity. Finally, remember that virality often has an element of unpredictability. You can follow every step, but sometimes a video just doesn't catch on. That's okay. The most important thing is persistence. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep refining your craft. Every video you make brings you closer to that viral moment. Your dedication and passion will ultimately lead to incredible success. You have the power to create amazing content that resonates with millions. Go out there and make it happen.